Hello everyone, it's great honor to stay here for introduction of products.
Yes.
My name is Miao. My responsibility area is East Africa, like Uganda, Tanzania, Ethiopia, and Somalia. So this is my colleague, Wind.
Yeah, I'm Wind, and I'm in charge of Europe market like Poland and Bulgaria, Germany, and a lot of other countries.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I heard about. I know you went to Europe last year. So
yeah.
Which country you have been?
I went to Poland, and again on the October I went to Bulgaria. Also went to Bulgaria, and actually I love Europe because there has clean air and a beautiful park. And actually, I also want to make a plan to take my families to go to Europe for travel.
Wow, that's a really good idea.
Yeah.
But for me, China is the best country.
Yeah, it's our country.
So I hope I hope our customers can come China to because we have a lot of interesting place and delicious food.
Yeah,
traditional Chinese food.
Yes, yes, we are. Actually, our customer, they've been to China. We will show them our most delicious food to them, and all of my customers told me they love the food of Chinese.
Yeah. So, what material in your market?
In your market, just like I mentioned yesterday, like chickpeas and lentils and the sunflower seeds, corn and wheat. Actually, a lot of materials.
Okay, because I know today maybe we have a lot of new customers, and can you introduce again for our double S cleaning machine, so let them to know our products very well.
Yes, no problem. I also saw there has many new friends here in our Facebook and canton share on the online.
Yes.
Yeah, so I will be showing you again about the double air screen cleaner. And here is the picture of this machine. Because I already introduced this machine yesterday, so today I will review some main point function about this machine. And here is the elevator, and we use it to lift the grains from the bottom to the green input box. And after that, we have the green will inflow to this part, air screen, front air screen, and we can see this one, front air screen, and the material goes through from this part. Most of the dust and the lead impurities will removed by this part. And after that, the grain will flow to the vibration box directly. And you can see there has four layers, and we have pieces inside. We also have pieces cells inside, and by the different size of cells, most of the large impurities and small impurities will be removed by this part. And then after that, the material will flow to the end of the vibration box. And before they go to the next machine, and they will pass through this part. You can see here is similar, is same part as front air screen. This we call it as back air screen, and the function is also to remove the dust and the lead impurities again. So we can make sure the material we can make sure the high purities for our customer, and also you can see this part and this part. They are cyclone and fans for collect the dust and the lead impurities.
Yes. So this is the double air screen cleaner. So.
Yeah.
What just like you you introduced to for us.
Yes.
So this one, the first layers is
Yeah.
for remove the larger impurities.
Yes.
So I'm wondering. So it's for the bigger stones also will be removed by the first sieves.
Yes, as you know, we remove the large impurities, small impurities by different size of sieves. And
So like this one?
just like my colleague shows.
Yes. So the bigger stones will be separate.
Yeah.
Because they can't go in, they can't go to the second layers.
Yes.
Then they will removed by the first layers.
Yes, yes.
So for the smallest stones will be removed by the fourth layer.
Yes,
Fourth
yes,
layers.
the first layer, the last one. Yes.
Okay, so I'm thinking, how do you remove the same size of the same size stones as the sesame? How do you remove that one?
Yes, that's a good question. That machine, we also have this kind of machine for remove the same size stones with the grains. So today we will show you guys about our another product, this stoner.
Yes, so this stoner for professional cleaning the stones from the sesame, from the beans.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so we can check the picture.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, can you introduce the structure for our customer first?
Yes, it's my pleasure to do this one, to do this job. So as we can see, this is the elevator. The main material will be loaded from the previously cleaning machine, double air screen cleaning machine. Then the material will going to be the elevator. The elevator will feed the material go to the destoner. So we can check. This one is the graduated table. And this one, there is the vibration model on the bottom of in the middle, and we can check here. Here is we have the four fan rooms for blowing the air. So let's blow the lighter material upper side.
Yes, you mean there have fan this?
Yes, there are four fan rooms on the bottom.
Okay.
And there we can check another side, this one. We can check here for this one. This layout is for the stones.
Yes.
For the stones will be removed by the upper side.
Okay, you mean this one? This part is our outlet for the stones, right?
Yes.
Wow.
So for the fan, do you know how many kilowatts for the fan motor?
Yes, I know this. For this one, I remember it is 7.5.
7.5.
Yes.
7.5 kilowatt. Yes, it will, and the wind will go through from here, from the mesh.
Yes.
And for the mesh, we are doing the protection for because when the fan blowing the air, we need the machine need a lot of clean air.
Yes.
Then for the mesh, it will keep the dust and the light impurities away.
Yes, and actually that's like what you said. We need air. Collect air from the bottom to blow up to the top, to the gravity table, and so we have to make some space for the air to go in. But yes, we also need something to protect the fan room, because if some bad impurities like ropes and empty bags goes into the fan room, I think it will be broken the
yes,
motor,
yes,
and affect normally learning about this machine.
Yes, it will make the bad influence for
Yes.
our cleaning machine.
Yes, I think so.
Yes, and for we check the machine clearly. We can check this. We can check this one.
Yeah.
We can check this is the flow chart.
Oh.
Yes, this is the flow chart. This picture is showing us how the material running on our disdonor.
Okay.
We can check for the good material, for the good products is cleaned by a double S cleaner. Then will be loaded by the elevator. Will go to then when the material go to here. For example, like a sesame. Like sesame for stay here, and the graduated table are vibrating. Meanwhile,
you mean like this?
Yes, like this way, the vibrating. And meanwhile, for the fan is working, so the fan will blow the air from the bottom to the upper side.
Yeah.
Then for this side, the lightweight material will be upper position. The bigger white like stones will be on the bottom side, on the bottom position.
Oh,
so that's why how the disdonor celebrates these two different materials.
Okay, I can also see from picture, just like what you said, the good product will move from the top side to the end side, to the lower side, then go to the green outlet, and the stones, like which the weight is larger than the green, will sink down from the lower side to the higher side, then discharge from the stone outlet.
Yeah, of course. So the whole flow chart, just like this picture showing, the good material, like good sesame, it will go in like this direction. Will go from your side to my side. So I will get more high purified sesame.
Yes.
And for what you can get is these stones. You will get these stones.
Okay, I can collect some stones for my chicken. Yes.
Okay, as we can see, we are not only have this one model disdonor. We also have another type.
Yes.
Let me show you. Okay, we can check. This one is another type. QSC 7. 7.
Yes. Yes. We can see from this picture we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 fan rooms on this type of disdonor, and the other one, previous one we introduced, we have 4
fan rooms.
Yeah, we have 4 fan rooms.
And this one, do you know? I know this one. I know this motor for the fan motor is 5.5 kilowatts. But for the 4 rooms, for that previously disdonor QSC 10 is 7.5 kilowatts.
Yes, because there have 4 fan rooms, so I think they need the larger power.
Yeah, larger power, more air to blow the light material go to upper position.
Yes, you're right.
So can you tell me what another difference between this one and that one? The capacity, I mean.
Yes. First, we can say there has 3 fan rooms, and another type is 4. This is the first point. This is first difference, and another is the width of the gravity table, and this one is a little little narrow, and the other one is larger.
Yeah,
less larger, and the capacity.
Yes. For example, for cleaning sesame, we are using this one. How many tons per hour it can clean?
Based on sesame, the capacity is around 3 tons per hour.
Wow.
Yeah, and for another type of machine, our QSC10, the capacity is around 5 tons.
5 tons.
Per hour. But maybe some friends they will not use this type of machine to clean sesame. And we also have another value for this machine.
Yes.
I mean about the capacity, because when we show this machine to our customer, we also told them the capacity which we measured based on weight.
Yeah.
So for this machine.
So can you tell me if we clean the beans, how many capacity for this one? Because this is QSC7.
Yeah.
Cleaning sesame, it can reach 3 tons per hour.
Yes.
What capacity when it clean beans, like for example mung beans?
Wow.
So how many tons per hour?
Sorry, in my mind, I think it's around 4 tons. Around 4 to 5?
Yeah, 4 to 5.
Oh, a little larger in my mind. Yeah.
Yeah. And we can see this one. We can check. This is the three visions for the layout.
Wow. Which type of this machine? 10?
QSC 10. QSC 10.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay.
we can check the
lens. You mean the lens?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. Here is the lens.
Here is the lens.
Yes, and
Here
another is
wide.
wide. Right.
Yes. So for the lens is 2.3 meters.
Yes.
For the width is 2.4 meters. And for the height, I can see what the difference between. There is I think this is the cover. It's the cover on the
Yes.
this donor. So what
Yes.
is the function for this cover?
Yes. Actually, that's the reason we found this picture for our customer, for the friends, and we want to show you this part. This part is for collect the dust when the machine running.
So
yeah.
you mean it's the dust collector?
Yes.
Dust collector cover.
Yes. This is just one part about the dust collection system.
Yeah.
And because this tap is a blown tap, and the air will blow from the bottom to the upside. So there will be some smaller dust will be blown out.
Yeah.
So if you have the requirement or collect the dust, so we can choose this part, the dust cover, and we also has the pipe.
Mm-hmm.
And the fan and the back type dust collectors for collecting the dust from the dissonor.
Okay, so there will be two big advantages. The first one is this: if we are using the collector cover, so we can keep our workshop clean. This is number one.
Yes.
And number two is because when the machine running, there need some workers looking to operate the machines. It can also keep our workers to breathe healthy air.
Yes, make our workers healthy.
Yes, I think this one is very important.
Yes.
Okay, so next we can there is here we can check here. This one is how the material distribution, like distribution layout. For this one, as we thought, this one is the upper side is the stone side.
Yes.
Because it's heavier than the sesame. For this one is good products. So the stones will be discharged by the stone layout.
Yes. Yes, and also like this picture shows, there is also marked the vibration direction. Yes, just like this.
Yes. So I think we already talked about a lot of knowledge about the destoner.
Yeah.
So I think the customer wants to see how it's working,
yeah.
how the machine running, what is the running status.
Yes. Actually, we prepared a video for your guys.
Yeah. So let us to show you. Okay. Here we are.
And here is the stone outlet. And we can see there are many smaller stones.
Yes, and we can check.
Yeah.
We can check the stones almost the same size of the sesame.
Yes.
Because the bigger stones and the smaller stones already removed by the double air screen cleaner.
Yes, yes, correct. And here is good sesame.
Yes, this side is our good product come out.
And we just introduce this for review size with greens, no sesame, or other material. And how about same size? Let's see in some modeling or damage or something else. How we can part for this.
Our we teach for the see.
Yes.
Okay. Then we can take this one. Cells.
Now, me
I want to the track and can before we want to know.
Okay.
What allows for the auto? Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Yes. Which next?
有电池吗？换
电池内有什么有？行政肯定有，行政肯定有。
行政变成纯
这里边两只。
快了，快点，快点，快！
行政肯定有。那这个我先不发了，先
你们拔了以后，我给你们画一下这个。
Okay, I to introduce the gravity table to my friends, and we can see here is I just mentioned about the wood is imported beech wood. It's very stable, and for the gravity table it's wood mesh.
Yeah.
And we use stainless steel.
Okay.
Yes, it's also very stable. Yeah.
Wow.
And window we also for the wood mesh we have normally we have two different cans.
Different kinds. You mean when we clean sesame is using the smaller.
Yes.
And when we cleaning beans, we use the bigger, like just the same process like the six.
Yes, just like this one, this system, the size is very small.
Yeah, we can see.
Like this one, the beans
is much bigger than the sesame.
Yes, it's much bigger. So we have different size of for wood mesh.
Yeah.
Yes, just for different kinds of materials. And normally we have two different kinds. Is number 7 and number 14.
Yeah.
And the main difference is the hole. The size of the hole is different.
It's different.
Yeah,
the size.
The number 7 is larger.
Yes.
The size of the hole is larger than number 14.
Wow. So as I understand, if what we need to do before we cleaning sesame, now we are cleaning beans. What parts we need to change on the gravity separator?
Yeah, only yes.
Only the
gravity table. Yes. For the machine, we only need to remove this part and change this part. Wow. But some customer may be worried about their materials. Because we chose the system and beans only the two cans.
Yes, because there are another type we also can clean.
Yeah, yes, and we can provide other size of wood mesh.
Yeah.
For our customers. So I think they don't need to worry about this issue.
It's more case.
Yes. For gas, you just need to provide the raw material you need to clean, and we will provide you a suitable set of wood mesh and make sure the cleaning effort.
Yes. So just tell us what the size of the material it is.
Yes.
And we will offer the relevant spare parts for our customers.
Yes. Yes.
And also I saw the structures, there are wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 wheels, I think. What is the functions wheels?
Yes.
It's removable?
Yes, removable, because some customers they not only have one warehouse. Maybe they have 2 or 3, maybe more, and yes, maybe more. And if they want to move the machines from one place to another place, and they can move it directly. And for the next, I want to explain this part, the green outlet. First is this two outlet. It's for the good grains, and we can for the good grains can transport them to the next machine or packing directly. And so this part is the green outlet for recycling, and they will transport the machine directly to the hopper. And for this one, you can see this smaller one is for the reject.
Yes, for the injured seed,
Yes,
for the broken seed.
Yeah, broken seed or molded seed, and everything customer don't want.
Okay, so this one, the whole light.
Yes.
All the lights. So I see there is the electricity box.
Yes.
So this one is control the whole motors for this machine.
Yes. Yes. And from the picture we can see there is one motor, and actually we have another two motors.
For the fan motors.
Yes, inside. One is for fan motors, and another is for the gravity table.
Yes.
Yes.
Next one. Wow, can you? So this one just like the correction cover.
Yes. Yes, this is same.
It's the same as the we saw before.
Yeah,
For
not
collect the dust.
yeah, not the same side, but the same function.
Wow.
And you can see from picture there is a bucket elevator beside the machine. And so we for our customer we can choose the slope elevator and also the bucket elevator.
So we can use this elevator. So we move this elevator to the front of here.
Yes.
So we need to add the height. Now for the height, this elevator is 3.5 meters. So we need to add 2 meters.
2 meters?
Yes, 2 meters. Then we can use this elevator for recycling, for feeding,
Yes.
to come to these functions.
Okay. Actually, I don't know how many meters.
Yeah, 2 meters.
Okay, learn one thing.
So we can show this one.
Yes.
Yes, we can, because we are not only have one motor for the derivative separator. That one is the 8 motor 8. So this one.
How XD8.
Yes. How about this one?
Yes. Actually, I want to ask you about the question.
The difference.
What's the difference between this machine, this picture, and the machine we talked about the previous? Because these two machines has the same wheel.
Yes.
Very similar.
Very similar, almost the same. But we can see the difference is here. This machine is the 5XZ6.
Yeah.
They don't have the slide outlet. We can check this. We can check the FX8. We can check it here. This one is the slide outlet.
Yes.
It can increase the capacity.
Yes.
This is the main difference.
Yes. And
Yes.
Here
We can check this one, the distribution for the greens and the.
Okay. Okay. Here, actually, this one is the you can see the 3 areas, and the upper, the higher side, and the middle side, and the lower side. When our machine running, there will be have these 3 different area for the greens, and we can see from the picture. And here is the good seed from on the top of the gravity table, and this area is the mixed seed, and this part is light impurities. Actually, they also has the seed customer don't want, like the molded side
Yes.
seeds and the damaged
The injured seed. So
Yes.
for the mixed seed, it will be loaded the upside again for reprocess.
Yes, by our slope elevator.
Or by our slow operator or 10F.
Yes, actually, because the like our destoner, this type of machine is also the gravity table will also evolution, and also has the volume of wind will blow out from the bottom to the gravity table. So with the function both of the vibration and the wind, the good product, the good greens with the higher state will sit down and will move from the lower side to the higher side, and the materials with the hot state. The weight is lighter than the good seeds. Yes. Will
go upper side.
Yes, will support to the surface and will move from the higher side to the lower side.
So this is the whole principle for separate different type of the sides.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Correct.
So
actually, I saw there is a smaller thing. So can you explain what is function for our customers?
For the gravity separator, we have the smaller outlet for the stones.
Yes.
Special design.
Yes.
Special design for our customer side.
Yes.
So I think we are talk about a lot of knowledge for the gravity table.
Yes,
so,
but maybe our customer want to say a picture about this part. Because we only have this. And
yes, we can see here.
Yes.
This one is the slowest layout.
Yes. Some stones, with machine learning, some stone will collect it by the table and will be discharged from this outlet.
Yes. So for now, I think we already talked about analogy about the gravity separator. So I think let us show how the machine running. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Well, this is the video, working video. We can check.
Yes. Okay.
Or we can check braided beans. This one is the mixed area. This one is the final products, good products with really high curve.
Yes, this type is XC8.
Yeah, because this one has the slide layout.
Yeah.
Also, as for now, I think our customers already know about our products. So I want to know how about the after service, like the installation things, after service things.
Maybe you will more familiar. And I think you will more familiar with these pictures because this all is from your area.
Yes, this is almost from Africa.
So yes, can you
so this
tell
is
our customer about story about this?
Yes, for example, this is our famous engineer in our company. He has professional skills.
Yes.
For the installation things, for the maintenance server things,
yes.
And every year our company will arrange our company's engineer to go to the customer side to offer the one time after service and the maintenance for free for our customer side. So
yes.
To keep our customer side the cleaning machine keep running very well.
Okay, but how about you? Will you go to the site with our engineer together?
Yeah, of course. I need to teach how our customer to use this machine.
No. I think it's functional. You just translator, right? Because we have engineers here, and he can solve the problem for our customer.
Yes.
And do you have other stories about this picture? Which is interesting?
Which one interesting? I think this one. This one is interesting. Like we checked, this one is another type cleaning machine, and this one is our distiller is our today's seed.
Yes, and here is our double air screen cleaner.
Yes, another type.
Yes.
So please sit down. So I think from yesterday and today we already talked about a lot of knowledge about our products.
Yes.
So I think our customer side are wondering what is the real products looks like.
Yeah.
Do you have any plan?
Yes, actually we arranged 2 video shows on Saturday and Sunday. We will go to the warehouse and show the real machines for our customer.
Yes, to let our customer know more about the details about our cleaning machine,
Yes.
Especially double air screen cleaner and destoner.
Yes, yes. And here is the plan. On Saturday, our colleague, Juliet Boyce, will show you the 2 cans. I remember 2 cans of machines for our customer, and me and Miss Mel will show you the double air screen cleaner and the destoner and the gravity table.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So see you guys in Sunday, right?
In Sunday. See you guys next time.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Have a good night. Have a good day.
Yes. Have a good day.